Okay, so today we're going to have a look at dividing, and we're going to look at how we use the division step and what it means and so on. So first example we're going to look at is 402 divided by 3. So to draw out your division step, okay, we have 402 and we are dividing by 3. I'm also going to give you a bit of a visual representation of this just to help explain it a little bit better as well. And we're going to use our exploding dots method. Okay, so if we have, because we've got a 3-digit number, I'm going to draw a little sort of grid that's going to help represent this. So we're going to have our hundreds in this column, our tens in this column, and then our ones or units in this column. So our first thing, we've got 400. So 1, 2, 3. 400s. We don't have any 10s, so I'm going to leave that blank. And then we've got 2 1s that's going to go in the last column. Okay, now let's start thinking about dividing. So our first thing, I'm going to be over here. How many 3s go into 4? So this is basically, we're thinking 4 divided by 3. And to help you sort of visualize this, I'm going to go over here to our first column of our exploding dots. 4 divided by 3. So how many groups of 3 can we get out of this 4? Well, we can only get one group. So that's a 1. And we have one dot left over. I'm going to cross that out and I'm going to explode it into 10 dots because we're moving it down a column. That is what happens here. 3 into 4 goes once, and that's how we have 1 left over because we had our 1 left over here, and it now becomes 10. So our second column, how many 3s are in 10? So 10 divided by 3. We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3, and we've got 1 dot left over, so we're going to cross it out and we're going to explode it into 10. 9, 10. And moving back over to our division step, we're just going to represent that. 3 into 10 goes 3 times, and we have 1 left over. That's where we now get 12, and you can see in our last box over this side, we have 12 dots. So our final sort of division that we're going to think about is now 12 divided by 3. So how many 3s go into 12? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it goes in 4 times. And back to our division step, our answer is 134.